5 Habits of wealthy people. 1. Goal setting and planning. Wealthy individuals tend to set clear financial goals and create detailed plans to achieve them. They have a long-term vision and break it down into smaller actionable steps. Regularly reviewing and adjusting these plans helps them stay on track and focused. 2. Continuous learning. Successful individuals are avid learners. They invest time and resources in gaining knowledge and staying informed about various industries, markets, and investment opportunities. Continuous learning enables them to make informed decisions and adapt to changing circumstances effectively. 3. Disciplined saving and investing. Wealthy people practice disciplined saving habits. They consistently set aside a portion of their income for savings and investments, prioritizing long-term wealth accumulation over immediate consumption. Investing wisely in diverse assets allows them to grow their wealth over time. 4. Entrepreneurial mindset. Contrary to the stereotype of extravagant spending, many wealthy people live below their means. They avoid excessive debt and prioritize financial security over extravagant displays of wealth. This frugal approach helps them maintain stability and accumulate wealth over time. 5. Living below means. Contrary to the stereotype of extravagant spending, many wealthy people live below their means. They avoid excessive debt and prioritize financial security over extravagant displays of wealth. This frugal approach helps them maintain stability and accumulate wealth over time.